As a graduate student at BSU, you have access to extensive online and print collections, as well as services to help connect you with the research resources you need. To access the resources provided to you as a BSU student, be sure to start at the library website at bsu.edu/libraries. This will ensure that you can authenticate with your BSU login information when needed so that you can access all of the available subscription resources. As you run into questions about your research or accessing library resources, please contact us through our Ask a Librarian services. Librarians can answer questions ranging from how to access the full text of an article to more complex questions that are specific to your research area. Select Ask a Librarian to choose how you'd like to get in touch. Chat, text, call, email, or make an appointment with a librarian. The appointment option is often especially helpful to graduate students because you can share information about your research project, and the librarian can help you locate the resources that would be most helpful for your study. Going back up to the top of the page, the OneSearch box is available here. OneSearch will search through most library databases at one time, and the filters in OneSearch are very useful to narrow down your search. You'll also find OneSearch very helpful when you want to find out if the libraries have access to an article or a book of interest. Just paste the title into OneSearch and see if it comes up in the first few results. As a graduate student, you will also benefit from becoming familiar with the databases within your specific field of study. Databases are simply searchable collections of resources, often articles. Select databases from the library's homepage. A graduate student in psychology would likely want to use the core database in psychology, APA PsycInfo. Choose Psychology from the All Subjects drop-down menu and select APA PsycInfo. Another essential resource for graduate students in most fields is called Web of Science. Although science is in the title, note that the social sciences and even the humanities are represented here. The Web of Science core collection includes reputable journals that are often highly cited. I will do an example search for sleep quality in journals within the field of clinical psychology. You'll also find additional tools helpful to graduate students on the search results page, including highly cited papers and options for sorting by the articles that have been cited the most. This allows you to get important insights about influential articles in your field. In addition to these resources, there are important services the library offers you as a graduate student. To see many of these grouped together in one spot, select Use Services on the library's homepage. In the Students tab, note especially the Document Delivery Service, which allows you to request articles and book chapters owned by the Ball State University libraries to be scanned and delivered electronically to you. You will find interlibrary loan services helpful, which allow you to request books and articles that are not available at BSU. As you scroll down, you will find other options available for graduate students, including applying to reserve a Scholar Carol and ordering bound copies of your thesis or dissertation. To find out about the resources available to you, check out the rest of the videos in this playlist and contact us with your questions. Select Ask a Librarian on the library's homepage to chat, text, call, email, or set up an appointment.